Hello, mathematician. Welcome to Calculus 2, which is for second year student. We want to look at integration by use substitution. We have to integrate 4x into bracket x squared plus 5 cubic dx. So to do that, we are going to let our u to be equal to x squared plus 5. Then we get in du, which is equal to 2x dx. From here now, we want to get dx. Dx will be equal to du divided by 2x. So what we are going to do here now, we have 4x into bracket. Instead of x squared plus 5, we are going to have u power 3. Instead of dx, we have du divided by 2 over x. You can see this x and this x will cancel. So you are going to have integral of 2 into bracket u cubic du. Now at this level, 2 can be taken outside the integral. So you can take 2 outside to get 2 integral of u cubic du. So you are going to integrate this by power rule, whereby we will have 2 divided by 4 u power 4 plus c, which is equal to 1 over 2 u power 4 plus c. When you simplify here, which is equal to half into bracket, our u is x squared plus 5 power 4 plus c. So that is the integral of this one. It is half into bracket x squared plus 5 power 4 plus x. Hence, when we integrate this, we are going to get half into bracket x squared plus 5 power 4 plus a constant c. So that is how the result you are going to get. So let us get another example. Example 2. Example 2, you have to integrate x cubic divided by 2 plus x power 4, everything cubic. So here we are going to let our u to be equal to 2 plus x power 4. Then du will give you, when you differentiate 2 is 0 plus 4x cubic. This is dx. So du will give you 4x cubic dx, meaning that dx is equal to 1 over 4 x cubic du. So we come here and substitute. Integral of x cubic divided by 2 plus x power 4 cubic dx is equal to, so you are going to have integral x cubic. Instead of dx, we have du divided by 4x cubic. Instead of 2 plus x power 4, we are going to have u power 3, which is equal to, you can see x cubic will cancel. You can take 1 over 4 outside to have u power negative 3 du. I have taken, so x cubic is cancelling out. 1 over 4, I have taken 1 over 4 outside, and then you have taken u power 3 up to make it negative. So when we integrate that, we are going to get 1 over 4 times 1 over negative 2 u power negative 2 plus c. When we integrate this, we are going to add 1 here. So negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Then we divide by that negative 2 here. So this is equal to negative 1 over 8 u squared plus c, which is equal to negative 1 over 8 into bracket. Our u was 2. Our u was 2 plus x power 4. We square that plus constant c. Hence, integral of x cubic divided by bracket 2 plus x power 4, everything cubic is, we have found it is 1 over negative 8. 2 plus x power 4 here squared. Then we add a constant c. We look at another example, example 3. Here you are required to integrate x power 4 exponential x power 5. That is x power 5 exponential x power 5. So to do that, we are going to let our u to be equal to x power 5, this index. Then du we will have 5x power 4 dx, meaning that dx is equal to 1 over 5x power 4 du. So we come here and substitute integral of x power 4 exponential x power 5 dx is equal to integral of x power 4 times, instead of exponential u, x power 5 is exponential u, multiplied by 1 over 5 x power 4 du, which is equal to, our x power 4 will cancel, so you have 1 over 5 outside, integral of exponential u du, which is equal to 1 over 5. When we integrate exponential u, the result is exponential u plus a constant c, which is equal to 1 over 5 exponential x power 5 plus constant c. So that is the answer. The integral of x power 4 exponential x power 5 dx, the result is 1 over 5 exponential x power 5 plus a constant c. So that is the result. We look at more example to see how we use these methods. Here you are required to integrate 8 cos of 4x dx. So to do that, we are going to let our u to be equal to 4x, meaning that du is equal to 4 dx. Our dx from there will be equal to 1 over u du dividing by 1 over 4 du dividing by 4 here. So integral of height cos of u multiplied by du over 4, which is equal to substituting. Instead of dx, it is 1 over 4 du. So you can, by 4 you have 2, and the 2 can come outside the integral sign, cos of u du. Now when you integrate cos of u, the result will be 2 this one multiplied by sine of u plus constant c, meaning now that our integral of height cos of 4x dx is equal to 2 sine of 4x plus a constant c. So that is how we make use of u substitution to obtain the result there. You can have another example for practice. We have this other example here. Integrate sine of sine x power 4 multiplied by cos x power 4. So here we are going to let our u to be equal to sine of x, meaning that our du is equal to, when you differentiate sine of x, the result will be cos of x dx. So we come here and substitute. Our result. So we are going to have, instead of sine x, we will have u power 4 multiplied by cos of x. Instead of dx, note here that dx is equal to du over cos of x when you divide here by cos of x both sides. So here multiplied by du divided by cos of x, this one. Cos of x will cancel, and we are going to have u power 4 du. So you integrate by 4 rule, so you are going to get 1 over 5 u power 5 plus c, which is, now from there, now we substitute. So integral of sine of x power 5 cos of x dx is equal to 1 over 5. Our u is sine power 5 plus some constant c, and that is the answer of that case. Next example. This is another example. Here the best substitution which we can apply, it is to let our u to be equal to this part here, that minus 4x squared. Our du will be equal to negative 8x dx, meaning that our dx is equal to du divided by negative 8x, dividing by this both sides. Then we substitute here. We have 3x multiplied by u, all this part here is u, multiplied by negative du divided by 8x. You can see clearly here x and x will cancel, so we can take 3 over 8 outside the integral sign, and this negative. So I'm taking negative 3 over 8 outside the integral sign. Here we are going to have u du, which is equal to, when we integrate, negative 3 over 8 u squared multiplied by 1 over 2 plus constant c, which is equal to negative 3 over 16 u squared plus c. Hence the integral of that will be given by negative 3 divided by 16 into bracket u squared. Our value of u squared is, we let our u to be 30 minus 4x squared into bracket, we square that, plus constant c. That is our answer. We have this other scenario here. So we are going to let our u to be equal to 4x minus 5. Now from here we can get the value of u. You have u plus 5 is equal to 4x. Our x will be equal to u plus 5 divided by 4. Then we need now to obtain du. Du is equal to 4 dx. 4 dx, meaning that our dx is equal to du over 4. So we come here and substitute. Instead of x, we are going to have integral of 2 multiplied by u plus 5 over 4. This root is u power half multiplied by our dx is du over 4. So 2 by 2 will cancel, so you are going to have 1 over 8 into bracket u. You take u inside, so you have plus 1. You have 3 over 2 plus 5 u power half, everything here du, everything there du. So what I've done here, I have applying the laws of indices. You have u power 1 multiplied by u power half, which is equal to u power 1 plus power half, which is equal to u power 3 over 2 over 2. That is what I'm going to use here. So we integrate now this part here. So you are going to have 1 over 8. This one you are going to get u power 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2. So you can multiply. It is like multiply by reciprocal, which is 2 over 5 plus 5 u power 3 over 2 multiplied by reciprocal, which is 2 over 3. Everything here plus a constant c, plus a constant c. So here you want 1 to get 5 over 2, and you divide by 5 over 2, which is the same as multiplying 2 over 5. So we can distribute this. So we are going to have u power 5 over 2 divided by, this is 40 After dividing by 2, we will give you 20. It will give you 20 plus, here you have 2 times 3 is 15, 2 times 2 is 4, so you have 4 over 15 u power 3 over 2 plus c. From there now we can substitute our constant. So our integral of 2x into bracket 4x minus 5 will be given by our u. We let our u to be from here to be 4x minus 5. So we substitute, our u is so you have 1 over 20 into bracket 4x minus 5, 4x minus 5, everything power 5 over 2, 5 over 2, then plus 4 over 15 into bracket 4x minus 5, everything power 3 over 2, then plus a constant c, plus a constant c. So that is the result. You simply let your u to be whatever is in the bracket, then you make x the subject, and then you substitute and simplify as shown there. We go to the final example of our consideration in this area today. So you have to integrate. We integrate this integral of x root 3x plus 2. So we are going to let u to be 3x plus 2. From here we take 2 the other side, so you have u minus 2. Then we divide by 3 to get x is equal to u minus 2 over 3. Then we differentiate both sides with the dx is equal to du over 3. Then from there now we substitute the where you have x, we substitute it with the u minus 2 over 3 into bracket instead of root x squared plus 2, we substitute it with the u power half. Power half is the same as root divided by du over 3. So we remove the bracket here. 3 times 3 will give you 9. We have taken 9 outside, and then you have u power 1 multiplied by u power half minus 2 u power half, which is outside. So we are going to combine those two to obtain the following. So after combining, this is what we are going to get. So you have 1 over 9. We integrate this. Here you are going to get u power 5 over 2. We should divide by 5 over 2, which is the same as times 2 over 5 minus 2 u power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2, which is the same as a constant c. So you have 5 times 9, which is equal to 45. Of course, 1 over 45. Here we have u power 5 over 2. There is this 2 here. So 2 minus 9 times 3 is 27. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 4 over 27 u power 3 over 2 plus constant c. Then from there we substitute the value of u. So our final result will be integral of x square root of 3x plus 2 dx is equal to 2 over 45 into bracket. Our u is 3x plus 2, everything power 5 over 2 plus, not plus, sorry, we are substituting here, minus 4 over 27 into bracket 3x. Our u is 3x plus 2 power 3 over 2, then plus constant c here. So that is the final result of this integral. So thanks so much for finding your time to study with me integration by substitution, and we have considered how we can integrate by substituting u value in our equation. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Kindly remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe so that you won't miss a single video which I upload every day.